Okay, so in this method, we're basically going to manually add entries to the registry to copy a script that Microsoft used to provide in previous versions of Windows. In this version of Windows, the previous methods still worked, so have a look at those if you want an easier method, but this is a slightly harder method. Not that it's really that difficult, but basically what we're going to do here, I'm going to press Shift F10, and if you're on a laptop, you may have to use FN Shift F10. So use those keystrokes together. I have got a command prompt open here. The first thing I'm going to do is disable my network adapters. So ncpa-cpl. So I'm going to disable all network adapters here. I've only got one. You may have Wi-Fi and other network adapters here. Disable all of them. And don't forget when you boot into Windows to go and re-enable the network adapters that you want enabled. So I've disabled my network adapters. And what I'm going to do now is type regedit to bring up the registry editor. So I'm going to expand HKey local machine by clicking on the little arrow. Click on software. Click on Microsoft. Scroll down. Click on Windows. Click current version. Going down, we've got this option OOBE. So I'm actually going to click on OOBE rather than just expand it. By clicking on it, we can see these registry entries on the right hand side. I'm going to right click in this white space and click new dword 32-bit value. And I'm going to make it bypassNRO. Make sure that you set your case correctly. This once again is basically doing what the script does automatically that they've removed from Windows. I'm going to right click and click modify, and I'm going to set the value to 1. And I'm going to click OK. And then back in my command prompt, I'll use the command shutdown /R for reboot, T for time 0. So in other words, this is going to reboot immediately. And there you go. This works on both versions, so new and old method. Just make sure that you disable your network adapter when you do this. Okay, so I'm going to say United States, keyboard is US, skip adding an additional keyboard. Notice I'm not connected to the internet because I disabled the network adapter, and I'm going to click I don't have internet. And now I can specify my local username, which is David. I'll skip the password. I'll disable all this telemetry and I'll click accept. Okay, and there you go. So once again, this is a local account. I can see that by going to system as well. So local account, WinVer shows me the version of Windows. This also works on later releases of Windows. So if the script doesn't work, you can do it this way. Now don't forget to enable your network adapters. So I'm going to open up Control Panel, go to Network and Internet, Network and Sharing, change adapter settings, and I'm going to enable my network adapter so that I have internet access. You obviously don't have to do it that way. There are various ways to enable your network adapters, but don't forget to enable your network adapters once Windows boots up so that you can use your computer normally. Just enable all the network adapters that you want to over here as an example.